Hey guys, welcome back to Kawaii Toy Collector, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to make no glue shampoo slime with only one ingredient. So yeah, also guys, the hashtag notification squad for my last week's video is also please leave a like and subscribe to Kawaii Toy Collector, and in the comments down below give us some video ideas. So let's get right into the video. Okay guys, so this recipe is so beyond easy to make. I've showed this recipe so many times on my YouTube channel, but different forms of it. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys one of the easiest ways on how to make no glue shampoo slime with only one ingredient. So the ingredients you guys need to make this slime recipe today is any type of shampoo. I highly recommend using Suave. You can get this at the Dollar Tree, Family Dollar, Walmart for like $1 or so. So use any type of thick shampoo. You guys will also need a bowling plate to make your slime in, a mixing tool, and optional, you don't have to use this if you don't want to, I'm using food coloring. So what I'm first going to do is I'm going to add the shampoo into my bowl. You guys can use a plate as well, a container, even a bag I guess can work, but just use any type of bowl or plate. And that looks like enough shampoo. And now this is the optional part. I'm going to get the food coloring out and I'm going to open it up. I'm going to put a dot in here, maybe a little bit more than a dot. And now I'm going to get mixing it up. You want to mix this for about 2 minutes to even 4 minutes. You want to get it super, super bubbly to the point where it's not really sticking to the sides. So I'm going to get doing that now. Okay, I mixed it just enough, and if you saw it in the fast motion part of this, like my time lapse, you could see that it wasn't really sticking to the sides. That's what you want. You want it to be super, super thick. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this into the refrigerator for about 2 to 3 hours. Every 30 minutes I'm going to take a look at it, mix it up, make sure it's working good. So I'll see you guys in about a second when it's all done. Okay, 3.5 hours later, here it is, and the color kind of seems a little weird from when I first mixed it. I think it's because it got clear while it was in the fridge. So let's see how this is. You can still see the pink on it, and it's quite sticky as you can tell. But let me get it out of the bowl. Wow, look at this no glue slime. The color is actually not showing up that well on camera, but it's like a really vibrant pink. I don't know why it's showing up like an orange color. It's really strange, but this is so pretty. I wish you guys could see this in person. It's kind of sticky, as I said before, but that's okay. Super clicky, super easy to play with. Has a little bit of a residue on it, but that's because it's soap. But this turned out great, and I'm really shocked with the consistency of this overall, and just how in 3.5 hours it made slime. I'm still shocked. I've been uploading no glue slime recipes for about almost 6 years now on my YouTube channel for you guys, and I can just I don't know, I just feel like it's so awesome. I can teach you guys recipes that work really well for me, and I can teach recipes that are super easy to make. But this recipe, wow, I can't speak. This recipe was a huge win-win for me today. Yeah, but thank you guys so much for watching this video today. This recipe was a huge win-win, as I said before. It's so easy to make, only needs one ingredient. You can add food coloring, it's super optional. But yeah, make sure you guys check out all my social medias, my TikTok, my Instagram, even my Roblox will be linked down below if you guys want to check it out. Also, make sure to check out all my brand new YouTube shorts. You guys have been seeming to love them this past week. So thank you guys so much for watching that. Also, we are so close to 1 million subscribers. We are about, I'm going to say, 210,000 subscribers away from 1 million. Seems like a lot, but I feel like we can get there as fast as we can if you guys keep subscribing. And I just can't wait to get to 1 million. I remember when I hit 100,000 subscribers, and that was crazy. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video today. Go check out all my social medias. They'll be linked down below. Remember, please leave a like and subscribe to Kawaii Toy Collector in the comments down below. Give us some video ideas. Bye guys, love you so much, and peace, and thumbs up for no glue slime recipes. Bye!